Number 5. WEWE Single-Handle Pull-Out Faucet. The WEWE Single-Handle Pull-Out Faucet is a stylish and practical choice for updating your kitchen on a budget. The buttons on the nozzle allow for easy switching between stream, spray, and pause modes, making kitchen chores a breeze. The temperature adjustment lever is conveniently located for quick adjustments with one hand. The hose reach of up to 24 inches is ideal for filling pots, and the sprayer clicks back into place easily. The sleek brushed nickel finish adds a chic touch to any kitchen, although it may show fingerprints more easily. However, the components are easy to clean with just a quick wipe. One minor downside is that there is some resistance when pulling the sprayer down, but it doesn't impede daily tasks. It's a great option for those in search of a simple yet sophisticated faucet that performs well. The installation process is smooth, and the versatility of the different spray modes makes cleaning a breeze. Overall, the WEWE Single-Handle Pull-Out Faucet is a great budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on style or functionality. If you're looking to update your kitchen with a modern and practical faucet, this is definitely worth considering. Check out the WEWE Single-Handle Pull-Out Faucet for a sleek and efficient addition to your kitchen.